Okay, welcome to the 5th day of Cat Week.
Ow!
And the final day of Bubsy. And we're going to watch the pilot of the Bubsy cartoon show.
Yeah, the thing that never really took off, thank God.
It was included in the PC version of Bubsy 1. And it was meant to be a pilot for a show and it never took off. Those of you who are looking at the time of the video will notice that this is a long-ass episode.
Yeah.
So, how's this for a Cat Week finale? You're welcome.
You are very, very welcome.
Alright, is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Not really, but I mean...
Oh no.
Keeping up the tradition of terrifying faces, I see.
Oh my god, this theme is so 80s.
Wow. No way! Haha.
I told you that's what he was gonna be like.
Yep.
Oh, it's Rob Paulson.
Is that his catchphrase? What could possibly go wrong?
Yes. That 2-frame cereal eating animation was
Got
beautiful.
some dry cereal? Hell yeah.
What is your house, Bubsy?
Dude, what is...
Oh my, it perfectly is capturing the way I felt when I played Bubsy.
Just keeps moving.
That was supposed to be a wink, but he just blinked.
Oh, everything could go wrong. Such as Bubsy coming back.
Oh no.
I remember
That's the name of the episode too. Great.
Jesus Christ.
Next to you guys, I have a catchphrase.
Hey, the armadillo from that minigame.
Oh, he can talk, I guess.
The minigame.
Oh, okay.
Bobcat blows Armadillo.
Don't blow your friends. Unless they want you to.
Oh, come on, you know.
Yeah, hey.
Hey.
It's true.
I'm your hero, and you're my sidekick.
Oh my god, they gave him a lisp.
Every single morning.
I wasn't expecting that in this characterization.
Yeah, I know. You don't feel worthy. Hey, that happens when people are around me.
That's a really sick shirt right there.
Twins. They're gonna celebrate their birthday with their Uncle Bubsy.
All of this is terrible.
The twins.
All right.
In Bubsy 2, there were these two children. Oh my god. They didn't look
Right.
like that, I swear.
Oh, God.
This is just noise.
That's all it is.
That's how
What
TVs
kind of
work.
remote?
Were run over by trucks in the state of Texas alone. For many of the poor little fellows,
Aw.
this is the last sound
Can
they
confirm.
will ever hear.
Trigger warning?
Hey, he looks like he did in the game.
Okay, Arnold.
It's the game Armadillo guys.
Careful, Arnold. Don't play too rough with the twins. Hey, Terry, go along.
God, the lisp makes him worse.
Next, we'll be interviewing
Did you really think it
Virtual
could have made him
Reality,
better?
The inventor of an incredible new
I
helmet
thought-
that
I
can
thought
turn
it
your
couldn't get
imagination
worse.
into reality.
I like it.
This adventure, if used responsibly, could someday stop war and famine
Love interest?
and eventually save the entire planet. So far, it's mostly blown up on Virgil.
Jesus.
It's like they have one voice. I think Rob Paulson is the only voice actor they have.
It's the only one they could afford.
Yahoo! Yeah.
All I need now is
Why do they
someone
all have
extremely
shirts with, like,
admitted to
different
fix the helmet. You're such an
grammar
insolent,
marks on
totally
them?
Punctuate. Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, that's me. I'm totally nuts. Yo, Arnold, guess what? I, Bubsy, am going to be the one to test that still dangerous yet
I,
unbelievably
Bubsy.
potential
Bubsy.
virtual reality helmet that could someday save the world. Why do you want to test it,
Save
Uncle
the
Bubsy?
world.
Why?
Oh my
I'll tell
god.
you why.
Twins speaking in unison is the worst thing on television.
I am brave.
Bubsy is... Okay.
Because I crave adventure.
Bubsy is the worst thing on television.
Because I need to go where no bobcat has ever gone before.
Also cockeyed.
Okay, I think for brief moments in watching this, I have hallucinated.
Thank you. Let's go, Arnold.
Unless you guys also saw the black and white spaceman.
Yep.
I thought this entire cartoon was a hallucination.
Oh my god. We're 4.5 minutes in and it keeps going.
Are you fucking
Did this really need a villain?
Finally live the lifestyle that I deserve. Buzz, Sid, come hit it once.
Present.
Haha! Bumbling minions!
It's Scratch and Grounder.
I was making a nice bouillabaisse, you see, and I was just...
If Scratch and Grounder sounded like
Had to
this.
stick his big fat tongue in the pot.
He sounds like Liquid Snake, actually.
Yes, things that are boiling are usually hot. Imbecile!
You got the superior genes, Bubsy.
That's the voice of Mom from Futurama, almost
Such a
certainly.
sophisticated and subtle person, hard for Sid and I to tell sometimes whether you're angry or not.
Are they
angry.
supposed to both be
So
speaking at the same
try to
time?
moderate as we
The
go.
title is mocking in my face.
Now that
That
What
was
is even happening in this
I
show?
have a job for you to do. I want you to pay a visit to a Mr. Virgil Reality.
Virgil Reality?
Please don't say they're gonna be
It's
zapped
only
into a
par
video
for the
game
course
world.
with Bubsy.
Virgil Reality.
I've clawed my way to the top to become the classiest kitten in this whole catatonic town. But I
She is
deserve
fat
more,
and
much
therefore
more. I
not
deserve
good
more.
enough. That is the
Yes,
moral.
darling, of course you do.
She is fat and therefore evil.
On another note, Virgil Reality.
Have something in our mouth?
The fuck?
I didn't
A
think
rat,
so.
a bird, and a cat are hanging out together.
Cat Week.
Yellow. Buzzy about testing the helmet.
Oh, yeah, good. Virgil's expecting you, Bucky.
Like Bubsy.
Okay, Booby.
Welcome.
Ah, they
I
mistook
am
his
Virtual
name.
Reality, and you must be Bubsy.
Why did this never go to air?
Oh, yeah.
I feel like if I were if I were like a child watching this, I would still hate it.
I think so too.
Well, hey, I can handle it on both counts, guys. So, how does this puppy work?
Well, you just think of whatever you want.
That
to
guy?
think 2 times.
That guy's Virtual Reality.
This will cause the electromagnetic impulses of your
Because he makes virtual reality glasses.
Yada, 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 yada. Save it, Copernicus.
Virtual
That's the
reality.
joke.
I'm ready for the gusto. Let's power up, babe.
Oh, boy.
Oh yes. One morning, you must be very specific about your thoughts.
He blinked twice.
Otherwise, terrible.
3 times.
Yeah, I know. I'll think of something.
Oh,
to
is
really
this based
blow
off of
your
his
head
thoughts?
back.
Is
Because
Bubsy going to go into Silent Hill?
What could possibly go wrong?
Bubsy goes to Silent Hill.
It's just like last Cat Week. I'm tearing up.
All of them go.
Still, that might have been a little nicer to fly horizontally. Okay, what now, Egghead?
Give me. I'll take it.
What? What?
Oh, no.
Why?
Arnold, whatever you do, don't think of the truck. The truck.
The truck.
I hate this.
Wow.
Bubsy.
This is the worst thing I have ever seen.
Just screaming.
We're not even halfway through yet.
This is sickening.
We have run a YouTube channel based around making fun of fan animations
Nothing went wrong.
for years.
You guys ripped the Sonic fan film.
At
and
least
this is
half a
pretty bad.
decade.
Window, you gotta
And
look
this
now,
is the
babe.
worst
Lose
thing
your
I have
fingers a
ever
little.
seen.
In fact, you gotta lose
Yeah,
your
I'm gonna have
Keep going.
As someone who frequently says fanime is literal worst, this is honestly the worst thing.
Yeah, can we play with
I am not exaggerating.
Absolutely.
It's just going on and on.
Yeah.
I think we need to apologize to like My Life Me and all of that.
Our apologies to Teletoon,
Prism.
the animator of Prism,
Virgil,
the
Bubsy.
animator of Tokyo Crystal Mew,
The animator of My Jungle Book Your Year.
the animator of Magnet 5.
Sorry.
We're sorry to everyone.
Illusions Dreams.
We're sorry. Illusions Dreams, we're sorry.
Zelda UO. We're really sorry.
We're sorry, Wukos.
Hukos, you
Not Bubsy.
you consistently make better than this every day. All of you do. Feel good.
Food. Ooh, hungry.
I have never seen something so uninspired in my life. At least you guys have passion, oh my god.
If I don't eat every 10 minutes, I go mad. Yes, well, in your case, I say it's a little too late. I know.
You move
Be more perfect.
My turn.
Oh my god.
My turn. So do I.
Now,
The people are food because they're hungry.
you and I will get dinner for two, and Allie will get her helmet. Ha! Now get ready. We're going to dive bomb them.
Is there a plot?
My turn.
this.
I think the fat cat lady wants the helmet so she can imagine she's skinny.
Now me. I want a dual overhead can fuel and chicken powerball.
What?
This should have been a 5-minute show. Even then it would have been awful, but at least we'd
Why
be
are
done
they
with it.
arguing? They have the boat and the pony. What the fuck? What the fuck?
That thing is dead.
Bunnies, bears. Recipes for Bobcat.
How long has he been dive bombing? From where was he dive bombing? The moon?
The moon.
He has suddenly gained altitude. That's definitely the voice of Cat from Cat Dog.
Yep. What?
Naughty, naughty. You know, that was very nasty.
Voice
Didn't
actors
you
will
my
take
idiotic
anything.
accomplice?
No, why was that candle a stick of dynamite?
Cartoon.
Boom, boom.
Of course.
Boy, let's play with the rat and the turkey.
I am not a turkey.
Ha.
I'm a buzzard. I'm a
Animal is
turkey.
mistaken for other animal.
Prey.
Ha ha ha.
Turkey, wanna go on a roller coaster
Why?
with
Their
us?
fur is gray and it makes them look like old midgets.
Hand me the helmet, please, Oblivia.
Excuse me, Mr. Bumpy, but the helmet is kind of...
Excuse me, Bubsy, but the
I told you not to have it.
That's what she
Hey,
sounds
we're gonna
like.
try
I
and get it
apologize
back
to
before they destroy
Mr.
the
Mexico.
world.
Did
I
anybody
apologize to any voice actor.
I gotta lay off
did anybody
those
notice that her
white
name was
papers.
Oblivia.
Olivia?
Yeah. Virtual reality.
Hey, 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 calm down, Arnold. What can possibly go wrong?
I'm physically hurt.
Has been stolen. The entire world to be destroyed in the blink of an eye.
Are we halfway through yet?
Almost.
Almost.
Looking at the downside. Come on, Arnold. Let's be heroes and
Is this going to be split into 2 episodes? Or is this actually the whole episode going to take this? I'm hallucinating again.
What the
I
fuck?
saw
is this
orgies.
footage?
Oh my god. My brain is a terrible place. But every vision I saw was better than Bubsy.
Bubsy, if you say what could possibly go wrong one more goddamn time. What the shit?
Kim, you need to sit closer. Let's do the time warp again.
Oh, they're in the Doctor Who opening now.
This is fucking rad.
That's
early
the
90s
best
jam.
animation in the entire time, and that's just because it's just shaking.
Yeah.
And now it's bad again.
That helmet. Sick. Oh no, he's sick. Oh my.
Let's watch that lip sync.
It's gonna blow chunks. I bet the turkey chunks first. Yes, I bet.
Why do you need to gamble? You have the ability to make everything you could ever want.
You have the most powerful object in the universe right now.
It can create anything.
Terry, now listen up.
The twins create a nuclear bomb. The world of Bubsy is no more. And that's why it was never picked up for another season. And that's why we'll never see Bubsy 4D.
This is canonically the end of the Bubsy universe. Unless you look at the other timeline, Bubsy defeats Ganon.
It's a bar, not a seatbelt. You're dumb and I hate you.
Now, where are those two little monsters? They can do anything with that helmet. What exactly?
What is he doing? Why is he doing that?
He's tossing some salad right there. Oh.
Oh no.
Terrence!
Oh.
Teresa! Come down here this minute!
This is the worst thing I have ever seen.
Yeah, I think he's calling us. Let's go find him. Okay. Ew, I stepped on something squishy.
I have
Too.
never hated. I never truly knew hate. I understand that we're reaching the point where this is not commentary anymore.
Crime.
There are no more words to say because it's not introducing anything new.
It's like Let's Watch Bubsy Sincere Regret Edition.
This is making me want to go and personally make bobcats extinct.
Like, there is 10 minutes left in this bullshit.
And they're crying simultaneously.
Oh, scared. Definitely scared of heights.
And it's too late for them to do like half one episode, half the other. Which means there's still like 9 to 10 more minutes of
This
more
goddamn
plot
helmet.
about this helmet.
Not good. Bad plan. It's a very
What
good
could possibly go wrong?
surprise and snatch the helmet.
Uh-oh.
Good luck. Yeah, but good luck. Bad plan. Bad.
What do you know?
I have watched the Super Mario Brothers Super Show and also The Adventures of Super Mario Brothers 3, and I have never seen something so poorly animated.
Oh, Bubby, I'm gonna make you a deal that's based
I think
on
the
hunch.
sound got
The hunch
desynced.
being that you have a very, very
Does it
small
really
brain.
matter? It's just constant noise regardless.
That's fair.
I don't think the lip sync was very good whether the video is synced up or not.
Yeah, that's true.
If I'm not intruding, where's the helmet? You didn't trade it for food, did you?
The corn dog is a dynamite.
And what's that hanging out of your disgusting little mouth?
Well,
The
I
villains
did.
are dead.
I saved
There's
the
no more
entire
plot.
planet. And now, what could possibly go wrong?
And I fucking hate you.
Fucking hate you.
What could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go wrong?
Thank you, Armadillo.
Success!
How
Yes,
in
that's
the
how you
shit?
use it.
At last, Virgil Reality's helmet is all mine.
Virgil
17
Myself
reality.
on my wildest
17 minutes in,
dreams.
the villains have the
I'll
helmet.
start by wishing for a 50-carat ruby ring.
I hope the credits are like 11 minutes.
Next, I want, let's see, what do I want? A mauve velvet love
The
seat.
credits just say, "We're sorry."
Oh, yes. She is funny.
Well, Allie, if you'll
my
excuse
God.
us, we have some cooking to do.
Oh, yeah. Cooking is good.
My eyes are glazing over. I'm not tired.
Yes.
I'm
it'll
just
make it
soulless.
even better. Cacciatore.
That was weird.
Hey, babe, go
Was
do
this the
whatever
first
good
commercial
with
break?
your helmet. Bubsy
No,
will return
it was
after
the
these
fourth.
Second.
Thank you for not saying it was possible.
All right,
Wait.
Don't go catatonic on me. Bubsy is back.
Okay.
They made the same catatonic one twice in an episode.
I lost the twins and the helmets. And worse than that, I was outsmarted by a turkey and a rat.
Technically speaking, you were outsmarted by a shrew and a buzzard, but either way, you've sentenced the universe to certain annihilation.
It's funny because he's smart and knows when animals correctly called.
Get a grip on me. I'm busy berating
Look,
myself.
guys.
It's funny because the armadillo is neurotic.
Cataclysmic.
Okay,
Guys.
now the audio is synced up, and the lip syncing is still garbage.
Oh, sorry, Arnold. I thought you were a wrench. I know. You don't have to say it, Arnie. I know you still believe in me. And if you're crazy enough to believe in me, why shouldn't I be crazy enough to
So,
believe
like,
in
It's
myself?
dead.
Are we supposed to like Bubsy?
And I'm not coming back without
Are we
the
supposed to
twin
like
and the
anyone?
helmet. You can use my
You're supposed to like
virtual
this?
reality helmet trap.
The
The
most-
armadillo's pain is just kind of background noise at this point. It's just like, all right, sorry, armadillo, I'll put you in a painful situation anyway while I continue my dialogue and you suffer.
The
It's just
pony was
another
the
of, like,
least.
10 things that goes on.
The pony was the only sufferable character.
Having to play with my food.
Yeah, he just seemed confused to be there.
This is Bubsy Bobcat.
They created life.
Of Bubsy's
There is a
character.
pony?
Now, because of your incredibly
The
smart
girl wanted a pony.
you have
They made a pony. That's the
I don't-
extent of the pony.
I don't remember that at all.
I may have hallucinated that.
I'll bring you all the food right now.
was she
Just give
sister?
me your address.
Yeah, she wished for a pony and he wished for a very
Your
specific
brain is
speedboat.
indeed very, very small.
And then they started screaming at each other.
Our address? You did! Oh, you moronic!
Wow, he's dead.
What? Wow. All right.
They killed a man. There's a murder in my home. Oh.
Just look at what it's done to my hair.
Oh, Allie, darling, I know how important your hair is to you, but I
What is her name?
have some even more troublesome news.
Allie?
What could
I
be
don't
more
know.
troublesome than helmet hair?
Large cat.
Sid here told that idiot
Fat cat?
the location of your lair.
That was from Rescue Rangers. Never mind. That's a much better show.
Yes. It's not even that good. It's actually terrible, but it's not this.
Bob shows up and simply refused to answer the door.
Sublime brilliance.
Yes.
Hello, Bubsy's catering service here for a Mr. Sid, the vicious shrew.
That's me. That's one.
All right, turkey. All right, rat. The game is over. The jig is up. The fat lady has
They just
done.
stormed in. Like, they didn't even try to do anything clever and cartoony. They just walked in. It's like, hey, give us back our shit.
I don't know what.
Bubsy, this infiltration mission.
That noise is not any different than the rest.
I am both attractive and intelligent. That's a lie.
That was dialogue.
I am both
Do
attractive
something,
and
Sid. Use your
intelligent.
imagination. Such
That's a strong female character right there.
Conduct. No. Conduct with a B. Oh, no, wait. Conduct with a boy.
Now, give me that.
He ordered a corn dog with a bee on it?
Yep.
He eats bugs and corn dogs. He has more defining traits than anyone else. Wow.
What is going on?
It was their birthday and no one paid attention. Oh look, love interest.
I am intelligent. She said.
Now you're all in hot water.
It has been shown to be able to create things, but apparently it can also alter things.
Not the
Yeah.
truck again.
I'll get it.
Oh no, it's the truck.
Rolling around
Wow.
at the speed of sound.
Just destroyed the entire front part of the building.
I want my own TV show, begs Bubsy. Please, please, the television show begs. Take us on. Oh my god.
I'll take that.
They weren't.
That over there. What? Where are they spatially? Wasn't the kitchen in the basement? What the shit is happening?
That would be Bubsy. And of course I will.
What's that?
It's a neutron overload in the central core of the...
What?
I'll tell you what it means. It means the helmet's gonna blow up on your head.
Take it off, bitch!
I'm intelligent and attractive.
Totally nuts, remember? Now, I'm gonna imagine something so mind-numbingly incredible that it will instantly save the day. Yes, no, yes, yes, oh yes, I like it!
I hate it.
Woo, what a rush! I think I saw Elvis.
Oh, Bubsy, you did it! You saved the world as we know it.
Well, of course I did, babe. I'm a
Dialogue.
hero for crying out loud. Thanks for getting my name right.
I did?
Well, Artie, old pal.
This really is a standalone thing.
You gotta live on the edge.
It should never ever
You gotta go for
Have
stand with
happened.
anything else. Oh no, they're back, the visions.
gotta be a hero for crying out loud. I don't know
Someone
about you
sat
all,
down and
but
thought
the
this was
thought of our
funny and
next
no one
adventure
stopped him.
already has
Right?
me tingling with
That's
You
the
can say
entire
that about this
cartoon.
entire cartoon.
No, I think the helmet's shorted out. You're probably just being electrocuted.
I knew that. I was just testing you, babe. Besides, what could possibly go wrong? Right, Arnie?
You're currently being electrocuted. What could
Why
you?
does it only hurt him when he grabs the armadillo?
Stand for
thank
Bloom, we're
Stanford
coming for
Bloom.
you.
We can thank Tom Burton,
Thanks, Tom. Fucking
John A.S.
Ray. You wrote this. You wrote this, Ray.
Curtis Kim.
So that was something that happened.
I feel nothing.
Yeah.
Is this what death is like?
Fucking Cat Week, guys.
Tom Burton, director of Bad Baby, 1997. This Land Is Your Land, the animated kids songs of Woody Guthrie, 1997. Bubsy, 1993. Mr. Bogus, 1991 to 1993. Widget. See, we don't just make fun of good people. We make fun of people who made Bubsy. Well, that's the end of this Bubsy series.
Fuck.
Is there anywhere to go from this? Because this was the literal worst.
I mean, I think we should continue the channel. I mean, what could possibly go wrong?